Hey guys, my name is Michelle. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieve these beautiful curls with some chiny bumps, aka Bantu knots. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, stay tuned. Okay guys, so I know you must be thinking, what's going on with her hair? So what I did was I put in some chiny bumps, that's what we call them in Jamaica, also known as Bantu knots, right? So I just wanted to see how my hair would look. I washed my hair about 2 days ago. I blow dried it and I put a little bit of cream moisturizer on it, and then I put it in about 12 Bantu knots, right? So I wanted to see what kind of curls it would give me, so I thought I would record it for you guys. So I'm basically just going to take one of them out and show you how I put it in. So basically your hair is going to be regular. You're going to put a little bit of moisturizer, and what I do is kind of do like a two-strand twist at the top like this, right? Let me kind of zoom you in so you'll see it. So I just kind of do like a two-strand twist like this, right? And then when I get to like halfway, I'm basically just going to like twirl it around my finger. Like so. Right? And then I'll just wrap this part up. Wrap it up. Like in a ball. Like, so you just like twisting it. Let me bring it all the way, right? Just like twisting it like this. And then as you get to the ends of it, you just want to like, twist it around your finger like so, and then that's how you secure it underneath the ball. All right, let's do this one. And what you can do, and what I did with some of them, I put like a one of those small rubber bands. So you're gonna grab it, start twisting at the roots like this. Excuse me if my hair looks a little cloudy here. I just put on some edge control just on the front, right? And then when I get to the end, I just like kind of twine it around my finger like so. And then you just make it into a little knot like this. Twist it and wrap, twist and wrap, twist and wrap. And then it's basically secure. If you need to, you could put like a hairpin at the root or a black elastic band or rubber band. Alrighty guys, so we're gonna take it down just to see how it looks, okay? Guess what guys, I forgot my pick, because you will need a pick. So let me just bring this up a little bit. Okay. Alright, so let's just take them out. Let me take out one in the back. So basically, before I take them out, let me just turn around so you could see. No type of shape or anything. Just, see? That's it. Just some big ones, right? Okay, so we're gonna take this out. We have a rubber band at the root of this one. So I'm just gonna slide it off. And all I'm going to do is just like a regular twist out. I'm going to open it, and then I'm going to separate it a couple times to make it look fuller. I don't know how these curls are going to look, but let's just hope for the best, right? That's what we have going on so far. Let's do this one right here. Slide off the elastic band that I had. No special way, just gonna open it so it can be a little bit more fluffier or fuller. This is just like another way. Instead of me doing a rod set, I'm just going to do it this way. Okay, that's better. Alrighty. Alright, let's just... This is just one way if you don't want to put any heat. As I stated before, I just washed my hair and I blow dried it. I didn't you know, put any flat iron or anything on there. So we're just gonna take it out, and however the curls fall, they fall, you know what I mean? This is just another way to get some curls. My hair is pretty soft, and the moisturizer that I used did not, it was kind of thick and not so wet feeling, because you know I didn't want my the blow dry part to revert. So just use a nice creamy moisturizer. Okay, that's how we're looking so far. What do you guys think? Let me know if that's something that you would try. It's pretty easy, you know, pretty easy. Give you some curls instead of doing a rod set. See, that's all I'm doing, is just separating them so it could be a little bit fuller. Actually, the last video that I upload, I did do my hair in the Bantu knot, but I did about 6. So this time I did it smaller, just to see, you know, how they would look, if they would look better. It's pretty easy to, you know, to take them out. You don't have to worry about, you know, putting the curls this way or putting the curls that way. Because you know, sometimes with the rod set you have to like twist it around this way or twist it around that way for the curls to form. With this, I'm just going with the flow. We have about 2 more, and I kind of did the one in the front, like kind of going back, because I didn't want the hair to fall in my face. I don't too much like my hair on my face that much. Oh, I'm liking the curls. Nice and big. Okay guys, so we're pretty much done taking out the curls, and I did spray some oil Shein on my hair before. I'm gonna put a little bit of oil on it, just a little bit. This oil that I have, just put a little bit of oil on the front, and now you can just get a pick. I couldn't find my hair pick, so I had to go steal one from one of the boys. So I'm just gonna fluff out the roots, fluff out the back a little bit. I think it's cute. Let me fluff out the sides a little bit. Just fluff it out. I'm not really sure how it's looking in the back. That's the side, and that's the back. Okay, she's cute, and it's kind of good that I had my edges laid down. And, you know, just pick it out. I think it's pretty. I think my hair is flourishing pretty well. My braids didn't take out my hair, which is awesome. Alrighty, so these are how the curls are looking. I don't like my hair on my face too much, as I stated before. So I'm just gonna put some oil in the front here. And what I'm going to do is just get a little piece maybe I can leave it hanging down. Just fluff it out with your finger, or I think I'm gonna take out this pin, right? And I'm going to push this back a little bit like this in the front. I think that looks better. And just put that pin here. And I'm gonna put another one a little further back, like so. I'm just putting the pin in the front. Okay. As I stated before, you know, you could style it how you want it. Once it gets stale, you can like pin it up to the front. Put it up in the front, leave it hanging in the back, but this is how we're looking. I like it, guys. What do you think? Leave me some comments. Let me know if this is something that you will try if your hair is natural. I think even if you have a relaxer, this is something that you could do. But just make sure, always make sure that you know, make sure that your edges look really nice. I really like it. Fluff up this part. I think she's very cute. Very, very cute. Let me know what you guys think of my little hairdo here. Trying to make it bigger. I like my hair big. The bigger, the better. Right? I think she's cute. Cute, 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 cute. Let me zoom in so you could see the curls. You know? Okay guys, so that was the quick tutorial for me showing you how I did my China bumps, aka Bantu knots, to achieve these beautiful curls. So I hope that you enjoy the quick video. Before you leave, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy the video. Share with your friends and family, and don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so you'll never miss an upload. I hope that you enjoy the look, and I hope it was easy for you to follow along. Just something quick for you to do, you know, if you have, you know, if you're sporting your natural hair, or even if you have relaxed hair and you want to achieve some nice bouncy curls, this is something that you could try. So I hope that you enjoy watching. This was a lot of fun, and I hope to see you guys very, very soon. Take care of yourself and each other. Bye.